Wherever you are in the world, whatever business you're in, Shergroup's revenue management team can help recover money that's owed to you. Our multinational workforce can relieve you of the stress and hassle of chasing people, saving you time and money in the process. Whether you have a single debtor or a large client portfolio, whether you require training or a dedicated team to work on your account, Shergroup can help you recover what's rightfully yours. We'll also treat your customers fairly and with respect, so you can have an ongoing relationship with them once the debt has been paid.
Mr. Trainers, I'm calling in regards to the payment. We are still left with a balance of $2,500.
I think in terms of legal services that we offer, we are looking at the end game. How are we going to make your customer, the person that owes you money or the defendant in the proceedings, how are we going to make them pay you? And the way that we do that is look at the assets that they have, and there are various ways of using court procedures depending on the assets.
As trained lawyers and appointed court enforcement officers, we can undertake the whole revenue management process, from pre-legal services through to litigation and enforcement. Our highly trained collections team follow the legal procedures of the country where the debt is to be recovered. We can manage every aspect of revenue management, from letters and telephone contact to personal visits. If the money's still not forthcoming, Shergroup's legal team will implement court action to encourage early settlement. If that doesn't result in the money being recovered, Shergroup works from its base in the UK to reach out to professional agents across the world to enable the court's judgment to be enforced. As sheriffs ourselves, we understand the power of seizing goods and escalating a case towards a forced auction sale. Our systems are sufficiently sophisticated to assess whether this is the best way forward or whether there's an alternative which may sit more easily with our creditor client.
No worries.
Throughout the process, our clients have their own dedicated account managers and access to our unique case management system, which allows them to track their cases online every step of the way.
I'm very impressed with Shergroup's services. Basically what we do in Yule and Kyle is institute court action for our Scottish creditor clients, and many of those debtors that we pursue are based in England. So what we require to do is to transfer our Scottish judgment to Shergroup in England, and we ask them to enforce that for us. We're impressed with their service because the people we deal with are very friendly, approachable, perhaps more importantly from our clients' aspect, the financial returns meet our expectations. Their online facility is particularly of use to us because it allows us to instantly find out what is happening with the cases, and our clients really appreciate that information back from us.
Shergroup has a highly successful track record of revenue management and differentiates those who can't pay from those who won't pay. When our enforcement officers arrived at this off-licence with a court order to enforce and started removing goods from the shelves, the shopkeeper paid up there and then. And when the owners of this mansion ran up a £1.4 billion international business debt, one of the largest ever on record, our team cleared the house of its possessions and returned a large amount of the proceeds to the creditor. For further information about our revenue management services, please contact Shergroup on 0845 890 9200 or visit our website www.shergroup.net. Shergroup, solving the problem of managing your revenue.